Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some basic concepts related to games and tournaments. Games and tournaments is a very important section when it comes to the logical reasoning and data interpretation section of the CAT question paper. Almost 4 to 5 questions you can expect in CAT and other MBA entrance examinations on basic concepts of games and tournaments. Let's have a look at a question and let's try understanding how to solve this question. Now, this question is based on the French Open 2022. You had 128 players. Now, when we look at the French Open, it's a knockout tournament. The knockout tournament means the winner advances to the next round and the loser quits the tournament. So, 2 players play a particular match. Okay. And as the player keeps on winning, they keep moving ahead, and the losers, they leave the tournament. So the question here is, there are 128 players playing, the winner advances to the next round and the loser quits the tournament. And ultimately, Rafael Nadal, he has won the tournament. The question for you is, how many matches were played in the French Open? Now, when you see this question, what you can see here is, let's say when we look at round 1, the first round, we would have 128 players playing. So 2 players play a particular match. So I'll have 64 matches in round 1. Now, 64 matches will produce 64 winners. These 64 winners will play against each other in round 2. In round 2, we will have 32 matches. Okay? These 32 matches will produce 32 winners. From these 32 winners, round 3 will have 16 matches. 16 matches, I'll have 16 winners, and so on. As we move ahead, 8 matches, next round, round 4, 8 matches, round 5, 4 matches, round 6, 2 matches, and round 7, 1 match. Now, if we are aware, this happens to be the quarterfinal, this the semi-final, and this the final. Now, so the question is, how many matches were played? So if you look at it, 64 plus 32 is 96, 96 plus 16 is 112, 112 plus 8, 120, 124, 126, 127. So in total, we have 127 matches being played. I hope it is okay for all of you. Now, let's say Rafael Nadal, how many matches did he play in the tournament? He would have played 1 in round 1, 1 in round 2. You have a total of 7 rounds. So he has played in total 7 matches to win the French Open. Okay. Now, another simple way of solving this question is, now we can understand that 128 players participated. Ultimately, Rafael Nadal won the tournament. Okay. That means 127 players lost at one stage or the other. Fine. In a match, only one player can lose. And at the end, we have 127 players who have lost at one stage or the other. For 127 players to lose, I need to play 127 matches. So there are 2 ways of looking at this question. One, the conventional way, wherein we look at the individual rounds. The other is looking at the number of losers. Once we have the number of losers, it is 127 here. So technically, in looking at these questions, a formula that we can very simply apply. Number of players are there. 2 players are playing a particular tournament. It is technically n-1. The number of players minus 1 gives you the total number of matches. Fine. So for today, we end it over here. With the next video, we'll try to take up a different concept on games and tournaments. Thank you.